All right, so do you really need to change your water filter when the red light comes on your refrigerator? Well, I decided to do a test study on this, and mine went out about 2 months ago. So the first thing you want to do is every time you fill up your water, just kind of look at that water pressure and see, if it's the same or if it's starting to diminish. And another thing you want to check is your ice. This is the most important part for me. I've got to have my ice. So keep an eye on your ice level, and I'm going to show you some signs that it is time to replace that water filter.
So some things to look for when that light comes on is the pressure of your water coming out. So if it's coming out like this, you are good until it just starts coming out where it takes longer to fill your cup. So I dumped my ice into this container around dinner time every night, and this was the only ice that I used for the rest of the night just so I could see how much ice it was producing. And this is how much ice it produced from then until about 12:45 p.m. the next day. So I made sure that I took a little time stamp of when I took that video. And it's been about 2 months since that light went on, so I'm going to go ahead and replace that filter because I need my ice. So go ahead and pop that thing open, pop that new thing in, and we're going to see if this really does make a difference. So go ahead and fill up 10 to 12 cups of water to clear that filter, and then you're going to reset that filter by pressing the ice and light button at the same time, and that will clear it. Okay, so I waited about 3 days just to make sure that filter had cleared and everything, and I went ahead and dumped my ice again, and there is so much more ice. I did the same timestamp again. I dumped it right about dinner time, and this is how much ice it made between dinner time and 1:09 the next day. So waiting about 2 months after that light goes on could really save you some money over time.
I hope this helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tools from Stacy DIY.